Welcome to another EQM product video. Do you experience harsh chemicals eating your gearboxes and motors within months of fitting? This can be prevented using Clean-Geartech stainless steel IP69K hygienic gearboxes and motors designed for the food industry. Clean-Geartech stainless steel I-series are easy to clean with smooth surfaces designed to be washed down, durable. There's no flaking paint or coatings and no corrosion. Chemical-resistant shielded twin Viton oil seals and O-rings prevent ingress of harsh bleaches and cleaners. Designed to operate at high temperatures and pressures without morphing or altering. Clean-Geartech gearboxes are filled with food-grade oil and a full range of accessories in 316 stainless steel such as output shafts, output covers and torque arms. For more information, visit www.eqm.co.nz or call 0800 147 847.